Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to make the columns the same width in Google Sheets. So first of all, you're going to go into this website where it says google.com/sheets, and then go to this option where it says go to sheets, and this will open up a blank sheet for you. So let's suppose that if you want to basically like increase the width of these three columns here, but you want to do in one click. Okay, so how you can do this? First of all, you will need to select these three columns here, and then basically right click on any of the column name at the top here, and then here you can see we have this option where it says resize column. Tap on it. So by default the width is 120. Okay, so let's suppose that if I want them to be 80, I will tap on this, and now here you can see that it's evenly distributed the width. Again, go to resize column. I want them to be like 180. Here you go. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.